my dear handsome brothers, beautiful sisters and respected parents. I'm your sister Kausar. I would like to share my heartfelt feedback about the motherly platform called Superstar Students and Parents. All of us are aware that great legends like Swami Vivekananda, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and many believed in building powerful youth in India. This itself is the great vision of Dr. GBR sir. By involving here, we could know the importance of being independent and successful individuals by knowing the true meaning of love and affection on our parents and family, and also the value of being responsible at right age. The platform also gives us the brothers and sisters culture. It teaches us that we are united with a good culture where we can expect safer society. And when it comes to the trainings, we could build an optimistic quality in us through which we can be more hopeful and confident about building bigger dreams and fulfilling them through the platform. So I would also like to share, the platform taught me never to be a mute victim. When we are not happy with a society with bad practices, let us make our small contributions to see a better society in which our sisters are being respected and who are not being clipped their wings, who wants to dream big and achieve them like never before. And the platform also taught us the value of our parents. So all of us are spending more quality time with our parents through the platform so that we can know their pain and share our dreams, and we can work to make them retire and see them happy. When it comes to the overall, with the best trainings, I love study modules, and best guidance from CEO sir, our mentors and supportive leaders, we could get a transmission experience here. I would like to share that we are imbibing with the leadership qualities and high ethical values is only because of that wonderful opportunity being created by a legendary person, that is none other than Dr. G. Venkatramana sir. I wholeheartedly thank you for the opportunity, sir. And my personal suggestion to everyone who is watching the video, I would like to share that choose the right opportunity at the right time, and this would be the best one. And definitely, I assure you, you can find the best and the best version of yourself. Thank you. Have a great journey.